tutorial. So today our topic is how to create a shapefile. The shapefile is one of the most common file format in GIS which stores vector data, in which vector data have point, line and polygon. So let's move to how to create a vector layer. At the top of the screen there is a menu bar. Click on the layer, find the create layer, then select the second one, new shapefile layer, click on it. It will open a pop-up menu. So first click on three dots and set the path where you want to save the file. So my shapefile name is practice vector layer. You should naming the vector layer for future so you can easily manage the layers. Click on the save button, file encoding, leave this option as it is, select the geometry type, which type of data you need to add in shapefile. So if you are working on the building where it is situated or school, so for this you can use point data. If you create a road or find the road, so road or a river, so for this you can use a line string. If you will find the park or ground or something else or agriculture field, so for this you can use polygon. So I will select a polygon. Additional dimension leave as it is. This is the projection layer, leave this one as it is. This is by default, this is used for global system. Why it will show the error. The selected CRS is based on the world. Anyway, sample which has a limited accuracy at least about 2 meters used in advanced world geodetic system 1994. Leave as it is. Okay, so there is an other portion called new field. For example, if you are working on the fields like agriculture fields, so you need to add a field name, what type of data you want to enter. Is it a number, integer or text? So name, it have a characters. So for this we set a data type text. Length, so length of the string, it could be anything, maybe The field name have 50 characters, 80 characters, 100 characters, and so on. So for this I will use 100. Click on add to field list. As you can see in field list, the field name is entered and ID by default. Another field is area. So for area we use a decimal. Precision precision means after pointer how much digit you need. So I will set 2, length 20, add to field. Now click on OK. So the file is created. Now we are created a shape file successfully. Now the question is how to draw a polygon and enter the polygon detail in our relevant attribute. So for this I have few images I already downloaded. 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 12. Zoom to layer. Now I will create a false color image which is called mosaic. So what is mosaic? Mosaic is the combination of different layers of images in which I have different color of images which is red, green, blue, IR, NIR, and so on. So I will set the sequence of the image 8, 5, 4, 3. Now how to create a mosaic? Click on the raster, miscellaneous, you will find a build a virtual raster. Click on it. Input layers, click on these three dots, select all these 6 layers, click OK. So we need for each file a separate band mean color. So click on it. Rest of the option leave as it is. So click OK. 6 input field selected. Where is the click this one. Click run. Okay, so virtual raster is created. Zoom to layer. Now this is the true color of the image. As we can see, our eyes. So we need to change it to false color for better understanding. So click on this. In red band we use 5, this one 4, this one 3. Click on OK. Now it will show better color. It depends on you which type of data you use and for what kind of project. So this layer is for the agriculture project. Now I will make a polygon on this field. So how to make a polygon? First click on this vector layer. Now you can see this pencil icon, toggle editing. Click on it. So the editing option is enabled. Now you can see add polygon features. Click on it. Select the digitize this segment. Now click at the first point of the field, in second, the fourth one. Click. Now right click on it. It will show ID 1, field name, wheat, left the area as null. Click OK. Now we will move this layer at the top. Now this polygon is created. Click on this, right click on vector layer, click open attribute table. Now see, one row is created. Now I will create a second polygon, this one. So click on the add polygon features, click on this. So the shape file is actually a vector layer. It will save these polygons, lines and points. Create on this one. 3 beat. So I will create two or three other fields but with a different name. So in our next video we will see how to filter the layer and how to filter the layer data which we required, only show that data we need, and rest of the data we will delete. And simple how to manage data in the attribute table. So this one is the 4. So this one is the rice field. Click OK. If you use for the urban or rural project, so for you it can be school or settlements, or it could be anything. This one is 5 rice. Click OK. So that's enough. Now next step is to save this layer. So click on this current edits, click on save for the selected layers, and click on this icon again, toggle editing. So the editing option is disabled. Look, layer not editable. So, so there are 5 fields. So you are successfully created a shape file and add some data. So that's it for this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, so hit the like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching.